Hi, folks. It's Rich Moyer. I want to show you the incredible amount of traffic I get from Traffic Zipper completely on autopilot. Now, there's some setup involved here, and this is for upgraded members. You have the autopilot setup, which you go into, which is this page right here. And it tells you, you just have to select the sites that you want to use. Now, we've gone through the setup here, and we've selected the sites we want to use, and that's all that does is put them in make them available, and then you have to check them off as which ones you want to use. Now, you see, these are all the ads that I have submitted or in my queue, ready to go out. And I can turn them on and off just by clicking here. So if I want to set them up ahead of time, I can turn them off and then come back. But I have a lot of ads in here, and they're just going through Rotator right now. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a new email. And here I have my subject and URL already added. Let's see if I can get this here. And with these, because there's sites that need to have the URL in there, it'll filter out the ones that don't. So I'm going to put the URL back in here right after that. And that's done. Now, what I have to do is click Save, and it's going to tell me I have to select at least one site. And then it's going to expand what these sites are. And that's going to be right above here. It's got to go process that and pull them all in here. So it's going to tell me, all right, we've put your stuff in and submitted it. Now let's see what the sites are that I have to use, and where would they be appearing? See, it's saying please wait. So it's gonna go through and select the sites, or give you the opportunity to select the sites. And it takes a little bit. I mean, I have a lot of sites to find in here, and one of the things I found is before Fast Force Profits closed down, Frank was actually putting the Fast Force Profits sites into Traffic Zipper, so you could select them too. Now that it's over in Dave Mosher's shop, I don't know how that's working. That might be one of the things that he has to wait for the programmer to do for him. But nevertheless, there's just a whole bunch of sites in here available. And what's really cool about this is Traffic Zipper will go out and it will query the sites to see if they have credits available, if you have a sending slot available. Some are like 2 days, 3 days, whatever. Traffic Zipper does all that. It's going to check it out. Now, and you see I have all of these checked off. And it tells me if there's a problem with some, like least ad space ad boards. I don't use those. So I just have that unchecked. There's some that have, it tells me I have some issues here I need to fix. They can't connect with your easy list, which is okay. So I took it out of the list. Now all I have to do is, and by the way, I have a cute little utility here. Check all boxes. So it will check all of these boxes for me in one click. Otherwise, you got to go through and select them all and click them all. I have an extensive list of sites. So here we go. We're going to save our preview, see what it looks like, and that'll just send it to me. I don't think I want to do that. I don't need to do that. And my ad has been saved. So here, if you look at the bottom of this list, I just have another entry here in my rotator. And this is going to go through and it's going to query the sites, find out how many credits you have, if you have setting availability. And if you do, it's going to populate the ad and go on that site. Now, just to show you what some of the statistics are that I'm getting from these sites, let's look at the tracking. And let's just look at a day, all right? You see, today is the 13th of July, all right? I haven't done a thing except put ads in here. And here I have, 3,000, 7,000. I have over 10,000. I'm sorry. I have over 10,000 emails I've sent out, and I haven't done a thing. It's completely on autopilot. You see, the 12th was a big day. So, I mean, if I look at all of these numbers here, I could figure out how many I sent a day, and I didn't do a thing. So here it went to Proactive Mailer and sent this ad out. And because the least ad space, you can only submit one ad a day. Well, it does that. Mr. Safe List, that's 2587, and Viral PLR, there were only 508 there, but Viral URL, I get 2,300 slots a day, 2,300 emails a day I can send. So it's going to go through and it's going to check that. Different sites have different numbers that you can send, and I'm upgraded in a lot of these. Like Viral Mail Profits is one I have. First Strike, Commissions Unleashed. There's 923 there. So a lot of these have different sending thresholds on them, but the bottom line is once you put them in here and you select the sites that you want to send it to with those check marks, it's going to go out and it's going to check all the sites to see the next one available and the one that has a slot to send and available credits, and it's going to go send the ad. Now, you're going to have to make sure that those sites have credits on them, and I took care of that by upgrading in a lot of them. So I'm getting this done for you traffic. I invested in the upgrades on the sites, and then the monthly upgrade here to Traffic Zipper and Viral URL, and that gives me an incredible amount of traffic that I'm completely on autopilot for. So all of these ads are going out. And all of these ads are, it's testing the sites to make sure they have credits, making sure they have availability, and when they're available, it's just going to send them. So I am not sitting there copy and pasting these ads all day long, and I'm getting, like today, it's the middle of the day. I have, it's a Sunday, so I have 10,000 emails that went out, and I didn't do a thing. I sat here and let it do it on autopilot. That's really what I want to show you here, the power of Traffic Zipper. Is it expensive? Yeah, I not for the value I'm getting here. Like the upgrades I got to all of Frank's sites and Traffic Zipper and Viral URL capabilities, they're all, it's like $67 a month. But I would be spending that, at least that to get solo ads and things like that in order to go out here. It's all on autopilots on the sites that I wanted to go to. Thanks a lot, Traffic Zipper. I strongly recommend the M3 Inner Circle. You'll see that on my URL in the description.